Cleansing is the first step in the skincare routine and everyone wants it to be done right. If you are someone who uses waterproof sunscreen and makeup almost every day, you must have thought of buying a cleansing oil or cleansing balm at least once.
I use the waterproof sunscreen Suncross and Reaquil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen. Both of these are waterproof and are really hard to wash off.
In India, we don't really have many budget-friendly options for cleansing oil or cleansing balm. The most affordable one that I could think of is the Plum Cleansing Balm. Before I start my review, you all should know that I have oily acne-prone skin and it doesn't like anything heavy. So I got this Plum Cleansing Balm to try before purchasing the big tub. You get 10 grams for 99 rupees from their website. I should really thank Plum for putting up the minis on their website for sale. I think all brands should do it so that customers will always get most out of their money and stop product wastage, and of course the wastage of money as well. The packaging is pretty sturdy and simple. It has a nice peach color and the texture is really good, but it has really strong smell of some sort. I don't like the smell. The balm melts very easily when it is hot and spreads well onto the skin. But if your skin is so oily and sticky, the wax somehow doesn't really melt and it needs a lot of work, to be honest. I never felt it is worth the effort. Emulsifying this is not that easy as well. The waxy balm just doesn't come off my face and I had to wipe it off really hard with my wet cloth or use my regular cleanser twice to get the residue off. I have tried using it several times and every time I face the same issue, irrespective of how much I massage this balm onto my face or how much I try to emulsify it. The end result is always the same. I used to get cystic acne on the following days after using it. It breaks me really bad and I had to stop using it. I wouldn't suggest this balm to oily or acne prone skin and also sensitive skin. It is good for dry skin people and people who are not sensitive to fragrance. So basically the full tub comes with 90 grams product and it costs around 545 rupees. So you can find it in discounts on like buy one get one on the Plum website itself if you like it already. You just have to wait for the sale. If it is also on discounts up to 25%.
If your sunscreen is not waterproof and you can easily get off with a normal gel-based face wash, please do so. You don't need a cleansing balm for every sunscreen or makeup. So far, my favorite way to remove any waterproof sunscreen is to use any plain oil or a Johnson baby oil on dry face and wipe it off with a wet cloth. It worked much better than any cleansing oil or cleansing balm for me.